Hello dear students, I am more interested today for the students who are preparing for NTSE stage 2. Although this question is from NEET app and it is on current electricity, it is useful for those who are preparing for JEE mains and NEET, but it is very useful for the students who are preparing for NTSE stage 2. Although the date of NTSE stage 2 2020 is not decided, but preparation तो हमको करके ही रखना है. So what is happening? You see that there is a question, a resistance of 6 ohm, a resistance of 4 ohm, a resistance of 2 ohm, and a battery is connected, and simple question is there that just after switching on key K, जब आप key K को switch on करेंगे, then the current supplied by the battery calculate करना है. Means I am interested to go for this current. बहुत छोटा सा जिसे कहते हैं कंसेप्ट है that आप इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस निकाल लीजिए एंड यू कैन प्रोसीड ऑन दैट. अब मैं बताता हूँ कि एनटीएसई स्टेज 2 के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं ना, वो कहाँ फंस जाते हैं. एक्चुअल में एनटीएसई स्टेज 2 के स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें कहा जाती हैं कि 11th का कोर्स आएगा आपके, उस पर 12th की चीज़ें भी आएंगी, तो वो जो 10th में स्टार्टिंग स्टूडेंट है ना, वो बेचारे ज़बरदस्ती में परेशान होते हैं, फंस जाते हैं. ये फील होता है कि 12th लेवल की चीज़ है. ऐसा है नहीं, ये 10th लेवल की ही चीज़ है. ठीक है, यदि मैं बात करूं जेई मेंस और नीट के लिए, तो इट इज फॉलिंग अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ इजी क्वेश्चंस. कल मैंने बताई थी ना आपको कैटेगरी के जो जनरल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं देखते ही करने वाले. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, what people are saying that this is the shape of a bridge which is known to be as Wheatstone bridge. What they call it as Wheatstone bridge. But it is simply in the shape of that. है नहीं. तो इस व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज का नाम सुनने के बाद में, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट इन अ कोर्स ऑफ क्लास 10th, तो ये जो एनटीएसई वाले स्टूडेंट हैं ये डर जाते हैं, ये क्या करते हैं, स्टक कर जाते हैं. इनको लगता है अरे यार बहुत कुछ पढ़ना पड़ेगा, और ये इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस को क्या कर देते हैं, जिसे कहते हैं ना फ्रॉम द फियर दे जस्ट लीव आउट. बट ऐसा मत कीजिए. मैं कह सकता हूँ आपको कि यहाँ कहीं पर भी कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं है व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज का. ये सर्किट का शेप नजर आता है व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज का, बट इट इज नॉट देयर. मैं बहुत गारंटी से कह सकता हूं आपको. सपोज आई से टू यू दैट दिस टर्मिनल इज ए. सो जब तक फॉर्म लाइन है, टर्मिनल विल नॉट चेंज. So this terminal is right from here to here, it is up to this, it is A. But here it cannot be A because 4 ohm resistance is there. So don't see it from this side. You can see it from this side. It is a firm line, terminal A, firm line A. So right from here to here it is A, right from here to here it is A, and right from here to here it is A. So you can say that from this point to this point, the terminal is same, no resistance is there. Basically, the 4 ohm and 6 ohm are physically present, but electrically these are not doing anything at all there, because of the fact that the potential of this and this terminal will never be different. It is known to be a short circuiting. Technically, if I call it as, it is short circuiting, but for you people, you just see that is known to be as terminal marking. So this is A, this is A and A up to this one. So I can say that what will be the situation here. So there is a resistance of what? There is a resistance of 2 ohm. There is a battery of what? There is a battery of 20 volt. And you get surprised out that this question will be like this. This is the battery of 20 volt. And let I say to you that this terminal is what? This terminal is A. And up to this one it is A. So it will be connected up to this one, it is A. And then you can say quite easily it will be coming back and nothing is there. So it is a 20 volt battery supplying a current to the 2 ohm resistance. Apply Ohm's law, it is 20 divided by 2, and your answer will be coming as 10 amperes. Is that clear in your mind? So if the question is there that the current supplied by the battery, you can say quite easily that it comes to be as simply nothing, but it comes to be as 10 amperes. Agreed? So NTSE stage 2 students, JEE mains and NEET students, you can do it quite easily. But एक step और आगे बढ़ा देता हूँ. 2 क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत अच्छे मिल सकते हैं, नंबर 1 and 2. So first one is, suppose I say to you potential difference across 4 ohm resistance. Potential difference across 4 ohm resistance. It seems to be difficult, but it's very easy. You say that this is A. This is the terminal A, right? Up to this one it is a terminal A. So potential of A is V subscript A. Potential of A terminal is V subscript A, suppose. So here the potential is V subscript A. So if I draw the 4 ohm over here, this is 4 ohm resistance, I can say that potential here is V subscript A, potential here is V subscript A, potential difference is VA minus VA, that will be equals to 0 volt, and you can say that the potential difference across 4 ohm resistance is 0 volt. Simple. And if the potential difference across this resistance 4 ohm is 0 volt, then the current I passing through is 0 amperes. So no current is passing through this 4 ohm resistance. Similarly, here it is the potential of A is VA. I am writing it over here. So it is VA. And here it is also equals to what? Here it is also equals to VA. So you can say potential difference is again equals to what? VA minus VA, that will be 0. So no current will pass through 6 ohm resistance. Potential difference across 6 ohm resistance, it is also equals to 0. Now the best of the question which you can form, that out of these 3 resistances, which resistance oblique resistances, which resistance oblique resistances are carrying the current. So this resistance is not carrying the current at all. This is not carrying the current at all. Only this is the resistance which is carrying the current. Agreed? Potential difference across this will be 0, across this will be 0, across this you calculate, it will be definitely coming as 20 volt, and the current passing through, that was the original question, it is 10 amperes there. Is that clear? तो बड़ा एक जिसे कहते हैं कि लुक वाइज थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है कि डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिफ़िकल्ट तो नहीं है लेकिन ट्रिकी ज़रूर है। तो जितने भी NTSE स्टेज 2 को प्रिपेयर करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं, JEE और नीट को प्रिपेयर करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लगातार स्ट्रेटजी से जुड़े रहिए और इस तरह के बेहतरीन क्वेश्चंस पर काम करते रहिए। थैंक यू, गुड बाय।